Nothing has launched its Nothing Phone 3A on 2nd March 2025, and it was on sale from 11th March. And I got this a couple of days back, and this is a really beautiful. And Nothing is known for its back cover designs, and this is very unique rather than those boring regular smartphones. And if you compare this with Nothing Phone 2A, and this is Nothing Phone 3A, a gigantic 6.77 inches, which is really bigger to hand. And when I held for the first time, I felt like this was something Nothing Phone 1, because Nothing Phone 1 came with flat panels both front and the back, and Nothing Phone 2 replaced with a little bit curved back, and Nothing Phone 2A was also a little bit curved in the back. And but this is again just like Nothing Phone 1, both sides flat. And with Nothing Phone 3A, they have replaced the back panel from plastic to glass. Though they have introduced the glass for the first time, but you don't feel that heaviness while holding this. And the frame is still a plastic one, but I like the Nothing Phone 2A. This has got this rugged metallic kind of texture, which I really like. And this looks like a plastic phone, and this is my iPhone case. And if I put together, it is plasticky, but they must have continued the same texture. And moving on, Nothing kept the same three-part glyph light at the back, just like Nothing Phone 2A, but they have made the right glyph from flat to curve and the left corner glyph from curve to flat. Truly, I didn't understand why this subtle difference will make anything to the user. I don't know why that change. If you feel anything differently, let me know in the comments. The flashlight position is also changed from right to the left, and also I can see the flashlight is slightly bigger than Nothing Phone 2A. And coming to camera module, they have introduced telephoto lens as a third camera. In Nothing Phone 2A, the camera was highlighted each camera lens, and this time they have put together the primary and the wide lens camera. The primary, of course, a 50 megapixel camera, and ultra wide is 8 megapixel and reduced from, I think, from 30 to 8 megapixel. And they introduced this telephoto, which is also 50 megapixel telephoto lens. When we talk about the camera, though this is not a review, my first hand the camera is the photos are doing pretty good job, sharp, and Nothing does the good job in while camera handling. And but the thing is that on the front camera you can record only 1080p. There is no 4K support for the front video. And when it comes to software, Nothing introduced with Nothing Phone mobiles with Android 15, and with this for the first time Snapdragon processor 7 Gen 3. The pretty fast processor, and Nothing is known for its software smoothness, and accompanied with Snapdragon, it does a pretty decent and awesome job. I feel I am a user of Nothing Phone 1, 2, and 2A, all the models except 3A, 2A community and plus edition. In all these models, the fingerprint a little bit laggy comparing to Nothing Phone 3A. Nothing Phone 3A fingerprint sensors are pretty fast. I think that's because of Snapdragon processor. And as usual, you don't find any heating issues in the Nothing phones. But it was there in Nothing Phone 1. Now they have rectified in Nothing Phone 2, 2A, and the same continues with the Nothing Phone 3A. You don't find any heating issues even playing with heavy games and doing multitasks. And with Nothing Phone 3A, they have introduced one new button. I thought it was just like an action button in iPhone, and I was wrong. And they call it as Essential Space, where you can quickly grab a screenshot or photo and take text and voice note with just one click of a button. You will find all these your ideas grabs at AI powered Essential Space, which takes somewhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute to summarize what you have inputted. It takes give you gives summary, and not only that, it also creates reminders based on the content you have given. But there are some improvements needed in this space. I think this is not the right time to for me to give you a full review on these things, but we will talk about that in detail review in another video. And there is one difference I found is that they have introduced a new thing called power of verify, so which is really helpful. You need to verify while turning it off, turning it on the mobile. So if your mobile is stolen, they can't immediately turn it off until the battery dies, which is very good. And also I don't mind to say I am little bit biased for nothing phones, and the same continues with the nothing phone 3. And apart from nothing 3a, they have also introduced nothing phone 3a pro. The main difference is that nothing phone 3a pro comes with a periscope lens rather than the telescope lens. Apart from, there are some subtle differences. Uh, I am biased because nothing phones are like that. They are very qualitative rather than focusing low quality multiple cameras and unnecessary AI stuff. They are focusing really on what we really use in our day to day life. And as I said, it's just been 2 days, and we will meet in our next video for the detailed review of Nothing Phone 3a. Until then, thanks for watching and please subscribe.